guys, it's Danica. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my nighttime skincare routine. So the first thing that I do is I remove my makeup. I usually use a makeup wipe to remove my makeup, but since I've run out of that, I'm just going to be using this Nivea micellar water. The next thing that I do is I cleanse my face, and the cleanser that I use is the Foreo microfoam cleanser. You guys know that my skin is very sensitive, but with this one I don't have any problems, and this one works really amazing on my skin. Before I put on my cleanser, I'm just gonna damp my face. I just use my hands to apply that all over my face. My favorite part of my skincare routine is cleansing my face using my Foreo Luna Mini 3. This cleansing device is made of an ultra-hygienic silicone material that deeply cleanses and removes excess dirt, oil, and sebum from the skin. I also love how this device exfoliates my skin, leaving it very soft and smooth. You can also adjust the T-sonic pulsations of this device through the Foreo app. And it also has other features like the Glow Boost mode, which is a 30-second cleanse, perfect for those who are too busy for a full minute cleanse. And with 30 seconds, you can instantly get a very glowy face. I've already set up my device to my liking, so I don't really need to use the Foreo app. So I just press this little button at the back and it automatically starts working. Not sure if you guys can hear that, but that sound is the T-sonic pulsations. So the Foreo device that I have is the Luna Mini 3. This one is just a perfect size, perfect for traveling. This product is compact, lightweight, and it is also 100% waterproof. And you don't have to change the brush heads or anything. It's just silicone, you can just wash it and then use it again. Now that my face is clean, the next thing that I would do is I would use a face mask. I have two face masks over here. So the first one is the Aztec Clay Mask. And then I also have the Origins Clear Improvement Charcoal Honey Mask. So tonight I'm going to be using the Origins. I really love using face masks on my skin because I feel like it just calms my skin, and I just love the feeling of using face masks. So by the way, I don't do this every night. I just put on a face mask once or twice a week depending on my skin. If ever my skin is breaking out, I would use the Aztec Clay Mask and just mix that with apple cider vinegar. So I just leave that on my skin for 10 to 15 minutes. So I just use this sponge to easily remove my face mask. Now that I'm done with my face mask, I proceed on using my toner. And the toner that I use is still the Thayer's Witch Hazel Aloe Vera Formula Alcohol-Free Toner in Rose Petal. As you guys can see, sobrang konti na lang nang natitira sa akin, pero nakabili na ako ng bago nito, so inuubos ko na lang tong bottle na to. The next thing that I do is I use my clindamycin solution. I just use my fingers and apply this on the areas where I have acne. After that, I moisturize my face, and the moisturizer that I use is this Argan Glow Moroccan Argan Oil. last step to my skincare routine is using an eye cream, and the eye cream that I used is the Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Eye. That is it for my nighttime skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you still haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!